Got to get these edges right. Right. Girl. These little edges be flying like they wings. What's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, y'all, and I'm back with another wig review, y'all. This is the second unit, the Headband Unit 3, the Dashley collection by Sensationnel, and this came from Sam's Beauty, y'all. And y'all know Sam's Beauty sent me these wigs to review. And that's it. They just sent me the wigs, and y'all know I love wigs, so I'm gonna review it. So there was no profit for me. But if you guys want to get up to some good wigs and some wigs that you know you seen, that you enjoy, and that you like, this is where you're gonna see it at. Right here. Because if it come to me, I'm definitely gonna be showing it to you guys. Just the way it is, and no tricks or slips or nothing to it. But anyway, this is the HB Unit 3. Oh, it says this is future fiber hair. You can curl this hair up to 350 degrees. I wonder what's the other one. Oh yeah, you could curl that one up to 400 degrees. Both of them up to 400 degrees. I had no idea. But anyway, today we're talking about Headband Unit 3. Again, the Sensational Dashley collection. And I have her in a 1B as well. Now this one here is a lot longer. A little longer than the previous one. And again, you got your 3 combs. 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. Along with your adjustable band to tighten it up if you choose to. Okay? And then we have, see, I like that. They got this strip of Velcro. I mean, a strip of, I forgot what this called. But they put this over the Velcro so the Velcro don't stick to the hair. So anyway, let's jump into this video, y'all, and see what this girl gonna be working with. 5-minute video and we out. Okay? Alright. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I guess I don't like using a comb, but I guess I use this top comb since I didn't put on my wig grip. Yeah, that'll work. Because this girl grew on her edges back and I don't need no trouble. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put this headband on. Since it's matching my attire today. My attire. Y'all hear me getting all bougie on y'all? Don't let me get bougie. Don't ever let me get bougie. Y'all better stop me. Something wrong. It'll be a mental break. I don't see it ever. Okay. Okay, yeah. I like that better. I like that. Oh yeah, I think I like the longer one better. Yes. It's not really long. But I like the length of it better. Let me back up so y'all can see. Ooh. Yes. Let me turn around. I need to pull this down. Look like I got it jacked up too high. I need to pull it down. I'm going to use the combs this time. I don't really want the combs pulling on my little hair, but since I'm going out, yes, I'm on a hunt to find that Natasha Denona face palette. I want to get the, I don't need it, probably why I can't find it, but I want to get the light one, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't need them both. You know, I've already ordered one, but I don't need them both. but I want it. So if I can't find it, that's just the Lord West. Girl, you don't need that. So that's fine by me. Okay, y'all, this is it. This is Miss, no Miss, y'all. She just named HD Unit 3. I'm gonna call her Chelsea, though. Yes, that long hair make her look like a Chelsea. By the Sensational brand. You can leave her out if you want, but like I said, I'm working on growing my little edges, so I didn't leave. I guess I could have left a little hair out. But see, I need to, you know, I got issues going up there. I ain't gonna say the word, but you know, them little lints keep popping back up in my hair, and I need to wash them out. So I'm gonna leave that little bit out. That do look a lot more natural, and it is what it is at this point, right, y'all? You know, you got to be special to get them kind of little lints in your hair. Really special, blessed. Okay, guys, I will see you in this video. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.